Spotify stock sitting at $252 level. Is it a good spot to buy? Let's have a look. On Friday, it was down 3% or so, 3.5%. And also, after reporting earnings, not too bad earnings, it came down significantly. The mainly market what didn't like is monthly average users. Every other metric was very, very good to me, and even earnings were pretty good. But I think the monthly average user, that was the key metric market was looking at, and it sold off after that. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Let's take a look at the moving averages and support resistance levels I'm going to watch for this stock during May. And before we do that, I want to thank everyone who have subscribed to this channel. It's almost 2,000 of you guys. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So zooming out to daily chart. If we look at this chart, this stock had resistance at this $300 level. Went up quickly to this level, rejected. And this $300 level and also 292 as well right here. If we go back, it was a very crucial level. And now from here, since we are trading at the support, pretty much 250, this is the support. That's where it bounced multiple times, and that's where I'm watching right now. But if it doesn't hold, we have another support level right here. This is the good spot I would look for a possible swing trade. But until then, I want to see if this $250 level holds. But it is sitting at the support at this moment. If we bring up moving averages, let's take a look at the moving averages. The red line represents 200-day simple moving average, and the yellow one is 50-day simple moving average, and the blue one is 20-day. So it's trading below every moving average pretty much. And also we have this crossover, which is bearish crossover, when 50-day moving average crosses below 200-day. This is a bearish indicator, but let's see what it does from here in terms of moving averages. But let's take a look also at RSI and MACD. If we take a look at the MACD, it is below zero, and it had this bearish crossover as well after reporting earnings. RSI not oversold, but it's at these 40 levels. So momentum, definitely, these are momentum indicators. MACD, it's pointing to the downside so far. Also, let's have a look quickly at option market. What happened on Friday? So if we take a look at the stats for Spotify, 12,000 calls, 13,000 puts. Let's see. Let's just look at biggest orders. There weren't many orders that came in, but looks like most of these orders that came in are very, very short term. And just by looking at the volume, you can say that there's no like clear directional bets being made. Pretty mixed market. There are even puts short term. Looks like May 7th next week. There's a lot of puts. 235, 237, and for end of May and even like July, there are calls, 310 calls, but they're not significant sizes. So option market, low volume, I would say. There's no like clear directional bet, so not much going on with options. And you can understand by price action that if you want to short, there's not much you can gain from here if you're betting against the stock. But to the upside, you have a little bit of a risk. If you want to bet, if you want to go long at 250, your risk would be all the way till this 227 levels. So it's clearly risk reward not the best. So I would wait for the stock to come down to these levels if it can, and I would look for swing trading opportunities from there. Earnings were not too bad, but that's the market recently. Any strong beats, even they have been selling off. So this is it for this Spotify video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Take care.